Okay, so I ran here to tell you all this. I did it. I found the best cleaning gel pretty much on Amazon, in my opinion. This PINESWEEP is amazing. So as you see, I have hard water in my whole house. But this is how my bathroom toilet always looks, with that kind of weird iron ring around it. So 1 forkful of this PINESWEEP in your bowl, and then just kind of pump it up and down with your toilet scrubber, and it's going to get all of that off. Now, I ran out of space before I got done, but trust me, my toilet was clean. But you don't have to keep it in your bathroom. You can use this around your whole house. This is what it looks like, okay? So I'm just going to dig a little bit out, put it on a rag, wet it a little bit. I can wipe down my countertops with it, and it has this refreshing pine smell. It's not over the top like other cleaners, but this one is the subtle pine, but you can smell it. It stays for days. Okay, I cleaned my refrigerator with it, wiped it down. You can even make a spray out of this, out of that gel. Just scoop some in the container, put your warm water in, let it dissolve, and you can just give your whole house a clean with this. This stuff is so easy to use. Oh, and guess what? You can also use it in your laundry. You purchase this, you can use it 7 different ways, in my opinion, at least I do. I think this stuff is so awesome. If you're looking for a good cleaner, definitely check this one out.